Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make stripe patterns. We'll explore the fundamental elements that bring these designs to life. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this guide will help you craft compelling striped visuals. We'll cover everything from simple parallel lines to more complex arrangements, ensuring you gain a solid understanding of this timeless design technique. Get ready to add a dynamic touch to your projects. Let's dive into the core principles of stripe design. Consider how varying the width of your stripes, perhaps from 1/8 inch to 1 inch, can dramatically change the look. The space between stripes is equally important, influencing whether the pattern feels dense or airy. Your color palette, whether two contrasting hues or a gradient of 3 shades, sets the emotional tone. Finally, the direction of your stripes, be it horizontal, vertical, or diagonal, can alter how a viewer perceives an object's form. Now, let's explore practical techniques for making stripes. Digitally, software like graphic design programs allows you to define exact widths, colors, and angles with ease. You can create a single stripe, then duplicate it multiple times, perhaps 20 or 30 times, to form a seamless pattern. Physically, consider painting parallel lines with masking tape for crisp edges or weaving different colored threads together. Each method offers distinct advantages for bringing your striped vision to reality. For more advanced stripe patterns, consider introducing variations beyond simple parallel lines. Experiment with stripes that gradually change from 1/4 inch to 1 inch in width, or those that curve and undulate. Overlapping different colored stripes can create intriguing new shades and a sense of three-dimensional depth. Think about how stripes can create optical illusions, adding movement or altering perceived size. Ultimately, thoughtful application of these techniques will elevate your stripe designs to a professional level.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.